With the rapid development of railway and highway, etc., infrastructure construction, segmental assembling method is more and more valued by the construction and design units, and gradually been popularized and applied. Shandong Boyoun Heavy Industries Company Limited researched and developed BY-01 automated segmental box girder prefabricated system through analysis and demonstration to segmental assembling technology at home and abroad, as well as combining with its own experience in the past bridge framework design, fabrication, and construction. The system has clear structure, efficient operation, beautiful shape, and distinct edges. The construction method provided by this video is only used for reference. Construction preparation. Before the prefabrication of box girder, complete the preparation before the construction of hardening of the site and girder pedestal setting, etc. At the same time, arrange the auxiliary facilities such as gantry crane, concrete curing equipment, and steel processing equipment, etc. in place. Structure introduction. The system is composed of bottom formwork system, side formwork system, end formwork system, internal formwork system, and preset system, etc. Bottom formwork system. Side formwork system. End formwork system. Internal formwork system. Preset system. Prefabrication construction. Formwork assembly in accordance with the design drawings, step by step, to assemble various systems of formwork and adjust them in place. Laying of keel. Lift and put the bound steel keel in place. Readiness. Review and adjust parts location of formwork system. Ready to cast concrete. Cast one section concrete according to sequence of bottom formwork first, web formwork second, and roof formwork last. The casting process uses joint vibration method of attaching vibrator gives priority to and immersion vibrator is complementary so as to ensure concrete casting quality. Formwork removal and maintenance. After the concrete is casted, and maintained to removal strength. Check whether the hydraulic system is normal by hydraulic control system to successively remove mobile end framework, internal framework, and external framework, etc. Lifting movement and storage of girder section. When one section strength meets the design requirements, match to cast 2 section. When casting 2 section, match with what of 1 section. The other processes are similar with above. After 2 section is completed and maintained to formwork removal strength, 1 section can be lifted, moved and stored by lifting device and the workway of vertical lifting and longitudinal separation to move to specified girder storage area. Complete circular prefabrication of all sections in turn. Take Boyoun. Take the safety, the quality. Boyoun Heavy Industries Company Limited is sincerely looking forward to cooperate with you.